From ports to plants, Adani is now laying the foundation to lead India's cement game. Namaskar, welcome to Habis TV. I'm Shashi Rai. The Adani Group, led by Gautam Adani, is moving quickly to become a top player in India's cement industry. After buying Ambuja Cements and ACC Limited in 2022, the company now plans to grow its market share from 14% to 20% by financial year 2028. The group plans to use money from its own business operations instead of depending on loans. Adani Cement says it's speeding up factory expansion and improving how its companies work together to meet its goals. As per a report in Business Today, Adani Group plans to increase its cement production from 77.4 million tons per year to 140 million tons per year by financial year 2028. This means a growth rate of about 16% per year. Ambuja Cements will also increase its investment using internal funds, the group said. Major deal funded through big loan. In 2022, Adani Group bought Ambuja Cements and ACC Limited from Holcim, a Swiss company, for $6.4 billion. Most of this deal was financed through a $4.5 billion loan from a group of 14 Indian and global banks. This deal made Adani the second largest cement company in India after Ultratech Cement, which is part of the Aditya Birla Group. Nationwide presence and strong resources together, Ambuja and ACC run 18 cement manufacturing plants, 18 grinding units, total production 77.4 million tons per year. Adani also bought Sanghi Industries to expand further. The group owns large pieces of land and already holds 8,000 million metric tons of limestone reserves, which is a key material for making cement. Currently, Adani Cement meets 40% of its fly ash needs and plans to increase this to over 50% by 2028. Fly ash is also an important raw material used in cement. Ambuja Cement said that it manages 65% of its total cement cost by using efficient logistics and risk management systems. The focus is on growing quickly but in a cost-effective and sustainable way. With strong funding, large raw material reserves and a clear expansion strategy, the Adani Group is ready to take on market leader Ultratech Cement. By 2028, Adani aims to be at the top of India's cement industry. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Habis TV. Namaskar.